Howdy viewers, Bobby Brown. I finally did get a skid plate on my Dr. 650. I went with the Happy Trails skid plate. After some research, cosmetically I liked the way it looked. I didn't want to go with plastic. I wanted something that was steel. It does have some side wing protection here, and the price was right. I did have some aggravations in finally getting it installed. For certain reasons, it requires a 8mm by 8mm by 20 bolt, and they had sent some 8mm by 25, so that didn't work out very well. I couldn't find any videos on this Happy Trail skid plate. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm not going to show you how to put it on because the clamps, let me show you these clamps right here on the front. Now, like I said, you get 4 bolts. It's as simple as that. They're 20mm long by 8mm in diameter. And these clamps go on the front frame here. And there's nothing more to it other than in the back there is some captive nuts that Suzuki had welded back there so graciously. And so 2 of the bolts, they're actually like cap head screws, I guess, Allen type screws. And the 2 go into captive nuts that are provided by Suzuki in the back. You tighten it up. You secure your clamps the same way. Just stick the 8mm bolt through here. Can you get on that right there, cameraman? Can you see that? There's 8mm bolts right there. And it's good. It has a hole, obviously, for the drain plug, so it shouldn't have to be removed. I think it came in around 90 bucks. It took a while to get it shipped because of some issues with COVID and some other restrictions they're still having out in, I believe it's Idaho, Iowa, not really sure. Let's look at this side of the skid plate. You'll see the wing has a really nice wing right here to protect the side case. So it's as simple as 2 screws in the back, 2 screws in the front, tighten it down. Happy Trail skid plate, Dr. 650. This is a 2020 model. I now have about 2,145 miles on it. So I feel more secure riding it in the woods. I live in a rocky area, and the skid plate's definitely going to add some nice protection. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Yeehaw! See if I can get this thing cranked.